You're about to learn the 7 questions that you can ask your affiliate managers to make even more money as an affiliate marketer. Now, before we begin, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and if you're trying to build a lazy passive income online business from the comfort of your own home, this is the channel for you. So subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you're notified of all the videos that I release when I release them. All right, so if you don't know what an affiliate manager is, they are a special person that you can contact at your affiliate network to get special benefits. All right, so this is available to everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a newbie, an intermediate, or expert affiliate marketer. Everyone has access to this person. All right, so here's just an example of where you can find their contact info. This is just with an affiliate network I work at. It might be on a different place depending on the site, but dig through and look for that person. All right, so they will tell you everything you need to know, and their job is to help you increase your performance. And when you ask them the right questions, you can literally learn everything that you need to know. All right, so without the big buildup, let's pull out the handy dandy notebook and get right to it. So question number 1, this is a big one. What are the top performing affiliate offers right now today on your affiliate network? So what's getting the highest EPCs? What has the highest front end conversion? And what has the biggest dollar value per sale? So these are all things you're going to want to ask, and essentially what they will do is they will look through the stats on their system and show you the top performing offers right now today. All right, so that's a huge question. If you don't know where to start, just find an affiliate network. That is a great place. You always want to start with good offers that are proven to make money. All right, question number 2, and this is a surprising one. Ask them, do they have examples of high performing landing pages, affiliate blogs, or review pages? And believe it or not, they will sometimes reveal some of the top performing websites. All right, that's a great way to look at your competitors and see what is working for them and how you can mimic what they're doing. All right, question trace. I don't even know, is that Spanish for 3? That sounded right. All right, that is, do you have additional testimonials? This is huge. All right, so usually when a vendor puts their product on an affiliate network, they'll provide testimonials from user experiences. Sometimes they provide them all, sometimes they don't. And what that means is that if you can get those testimonials, you'll have a unique thing on your website to help you convert your traffic into sales. Testimonials are huge. So you're going to want to ask them for anything like before and after pictures, video testimonials, just written testimonials, user experiences. All those things can help you convert traffic and basically get more of a bang for the buck, so to speak. And question number 4, this is a big one. Do you have any bonuses that I can include along with the affiliate promotion? All right, so sometimes you can negotiate special deals like extra software, maybe a longer trial, free samples, anything like that. And this is a great way to get an edge over the other affiliates out there competing for that offer. So special benefits like that can go a long way. All right, next one, this is huge. Do you have any ebooks that I can repurpose and use as freebie giveaways? All right, so you're gonna take those ebooks and create opt-in pages. This way, you don't have to worry about creating product images, creating the actual ebook itself. This is gonna be all done for you. Typically, vendors and affiliate networks will have some form of promotion material that you can use to help make even more money. So look for ebooks, anything like PDFs, maybe some free video training. All that is a great way to help you entice people to opt in, where you can then promote those offers to that visitor. Next question, this is like number 5 or 6, I've lost count at this point. What are the top keywords that you should be targeting? So with every offer, especially when it comes to search engine optimization and YouTube, there are certain keywords that convert much better than other ones, and you're gonna want to ask your affiliate manager what those particular keywords are. And in addition to that, the traffic sources that go along with them. All right, so what I've learned over the years is that certain types of traffic convert better than others depending on the offer. There is really no way to tell unless you, one, look at your competitors or test it out. Another way to circumvent this, though, is to actually go direct to the source and ask your affiliate manager. They're gonna tell you what affiliates are doing well with what traffic. All right, so that's a great way to go about that. All right, next question. This is my favorite. I made so much money with this. This takes a little bit of finesse, a little bit of networking, but the question is, can you give me a commission bump? All right, so when you start delivering certain amount of volume for the affiliate network, they will actually give you a commission bump if you ask. Personally, I've negotiated these commission bumps through a combination of networking. So these are sometimes people I've met in person, or just really hammering it out and doing really well for that affiliate. You can also negotiate things like discounts for your customers or your viewers. All of these go a big way to help you make even more money with affiliate marketing. All right, so those are the questions you're gonna want to ask. Now, just one important tip here, if you really want to get the most out of this, build a website first, start getting results so that you show the affiliate manager that you're actually someone that can deliver results. The last thing you want to do is just show up and not have proven yourself. Like, you want to at least drive a couple sales before trying some of these tactics. And with that said, guys, just a quick heads up on Monday, this Monday coming up, July 30th to August 2nd, I am holding a special summer sale for some of my affiliate marketing training products. So this includes my Tube Tycoon system and my Deadbeat Super Affiliate system, and I will be providing coupon codes up to 50% off. These are only valid for 4 days. Starts July 30th, that's this Monday, ends August 2nd. So keep an eye out for that if you're interested in getting into the programs. This is a quick 4-day sale. With that said, guys, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. If you have any questions for me, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you're notified of all the videos that I release when I release them. Also, share this video with your friends. Also, comment below. I don't know if I said that. I'm happy to help. My name is Dan Brock, and yeah, that's it for the video. So it's time for me to go take a nap. See you guys later.